I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, plan A or plan B? The question is, are we going to short the break to the downside? We're going to let Bitcoin give us a signal. Or if the price action breaks out above this upper trend line, plan B, we go long and we stack alts. If this breaks lower, again, you're looking for a descending, falling wedge, falling channel, okay? And then obvious downside ideas are in play. We go over to essentially the same idea, the 6 hour. This is Bitcoin CME futures though, so slightly different. But you still have, this is a 64% chance that this triangle breaks to the downside. It is a descending triangle, right? So we're watching out, running out of room. The move is coming, and this move is going to set the tone for the next month or two. And so this is really a key move to understand. You don't want to be holding a bunch of longs if this thing breaks to the downside. Okay, you don't, I mean, you're going to get a significant move out of this. This price action has been moving sideways since June the 14th. This consolidation has been happening for an extended period of time. This is the 4 hour chart. This is really the chart I want to focus on. And I'm actually seeing something that I didn't want to see for the bulls, right? So you've got this falling wedge, 68% chance it breaks out to the upside, and it seemingly did. But then it lost the level and gave back all of the gains and ended up back in this pattern. This is a bull trap. When the bulls get trapped, they get punished. Now, I said earlier, Bitcoin bulls need this level back badly. They need it back badly. You do not want to see a rejection right here, because that would just, again, give you downside ideas. I mean, the lower area of this pattern is down in the 17,000 range, right? If you extend this trend line. So much lower prices unless the bulls can save the day. But you can already see that the bulls got trapped here. And so that's not amazing. So now we've got to look at what the stock market's doing, what are other markets doing, what's the dollar doing, and we'll add Confluence that gives us better idea on how to trade this. I've got some amazing shout outs to give on my trading group. This person, been in crypto for about 4 years, bought the top of the market, had 100,000, lost $50,000. He probably paid around $10,000 joining groups over the last 2 years to no avail. And then I joined your group and I'm back to $100,000 and I just made another $3,000. We are different than every other group you've ever been in, period. Just want to say thank you for the 5th time. I made enough money to look at a home. I paid off all my debts. I even ordered my dream car, a Tesla. He says, I'm constantly getting $2,000 to $3,000 a week, banging. And the thing is, he's trading some stocks too. Shout out to Alex. He made $10,000 in 2 months day trading. And then he joined the group and made $4,000 in 1 day. Point is, the money gets easy when you're in the best coins. That's all there is to it. And so here's some recent setups we hit. A lot of short coins have been playing out to perfection. And so I'll teach you how to trade the short coins. Trade the market both ways. Bear market doesn't have to be bad. You can make money going both ways. You think Wall Street right now is freaking out? No, they're trading short, right? And so, again, banger after banger after banger. Constant double digits bangers. You just have to be in the right coins. I've had so many people rejoining the group and joining the group because of the discount. So we're going to continue that. Can help you. I'll change your life forever, period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. This is Hurricane Ian, and it's about to kick our teeth in where I'm at in Georgia. Heart and prayers go out to those that are going to be affected by this hurricane. Please stay safe, and we'll weather the storm together. This is the DXY. The one thing I like about this is, for the bulls, is, remember we talked about you need to see some type of, this is resistance level, this is resistance level. You need to see some type of pullback to give Bitcoin some upside ideas. But you don't want this to immediately flip and come up here and hit this measured move. Otherwise, you're looking for a lot more downside out of stocks into Bitcoin. You've got this beautiful cup and handle, and this thing has been punishing stocks and crypto. And so if the DXY can pull back a little bit, you could get some upside out of Bitcoin. But for how long is the question. I mean, you come back and you get a good healthy pullback to this level, and you're headed strong right back up to the measured move, and Bitcoin and crypto, stock markets all get hit hard. This is one of the most important charts I want you to focus on, because the stock market, the ES1, important to watch. So previously you had this bounce at support, and now the bulls are trying to hold this level again, and it'd be nice to get this double bottom, some type of breakout. But if this level is lost, you're looking for more downside, and you want to be short as far as these coins go. Okay, it's really easy. Go to Kucoin, you can trade 3x short coins. There's no liquidation price. You can make a lot of money, you can lose a lot of money. But the key is you got the volatility that you need, and the downside moves change the game completely. Yesterday we were talking about how this gets ugly if you don't get this double bottom bounce. If you do get the double bottom bounce, I mean, you could see a move up here to the upper trend line. You lose this level, and there's plenty of room for the downside, and it's going to drag the rest of the markets with it. Bitcoin dominance, this is an interesting chart to look at. When Bitcoin dominance is trending higher, altcoins bleed badly. And so now you're potentially forming a bull pennant with an ascending triangle that's supposed to break out to the upside. If this resistance is broken, then you're looking for altcoins to bleed, period. Bitcoin dominance will give you a very good understanding. Number one, timing the move, right? When this breaks out, you'll get your Bitcoin move, and it'll tell you what the altcoins are going to do, because ES1 in the stock market, I mean, Bitcoin's following the stock market. That's all there is to it. The total too, so we talked about this the other day, about this falling wedge. 68% chance this breaks out to the upside, but does it happen way down here? You do not want to ride this extremely, you want to ride any downtrends. I always sell on a lower high after any pivot. Okay, so I do not hold downtrends. There's no part of me that wants to give my money away back to the market. Now, you have this red candle where a possible breakdown. See this huge, you got this huge volume spike. Okay, so if you get a bearish retest here, you're looking for altcoins to pull back, and that would give you Bitcoin dominance breaking out to the upside. So that's the setup. It's concerning to see that potentially Bitcoin could head lower. So make sure, look for tomorrow's update. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.